Yeah, you try to go to Strand Hill, Mulakmore. That's very nice place to visit. So now we need to color the face. It's okay. Have a good night's sleep, okay, my friend? Yeah. Have a good night's sleep. Yeah. If you can visit me again, then I am just here, So just say your prayers before you go to bed, and yeah, have a very good night's sleep. Thank you. God bless you, my friend. God bless you. God bless you. Bye. See you again. So here we have to put the color here. So now we can so we try to outline it. Yeah, we need to outline. First is the I'm going to get the so here